In this video, I'm going to be installing some APR Ignition Coil Packs on my Mk7 Golf Sportwagen. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thanks for tuning in and continuing to watch. Today's install is going to be really easy and really fast and pretty affordable as well. The APR coil packs are really just affordable OEM replacement coil packs that do provide a little bit more sparking power, which is debatably helpful for tuned engines or changing the gap on your spark plugs. That's all I'm going to leave it at right now. Let's jump into the install, and it's going to go by like that.